Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts to Freeagent. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your receipt files are safely stored and easy to find later. We'll keep things simple and clear, and I'll share a few practical tips along the way so your uploads go smoothly the first time. Start by heading to the overview area of your Freeagent account. This is the dashboard you see when you first come in, and it's a great starting point because all the key menus are just a click away. If your receipt is already saved somewhere on your computer, you're ready to go. If it's a photo you just took, make sure it's clear and readable, flat on a bright surface with no shadows, so the details are crisp when you upload it. Now move to the top right corner of the screen and click your company name. That opens a small menu with account level options. It's the quickest way to reach your document library. If you manage more than one business, double check you're in the right one before continuing. Keeping receipts in the correct account avoids confusion later when you're organizing expenses. From that menu, choose Files. Think of Files as your secure storage cabinet inside Freeagent. It's where you can keep digital copies of receipts and other paperwork, so everything is backed up and accessible whenever you need it. Clear, consistent naming really helps here. Consider including the date, supplier, and amount in the file name so you can spot the right document at a glance. In the Files area, click Select Files. This opens your computer's file picker. Navigate to where your receipt is saved. Common places are your desktop, downloads, a scanner folder, or your phone's synced photos folder. If your system allows it, you can select multiple receipts at once to save time. Freeagent works well with common formats like PDF, JPG, and PNG, so choose the version that looks sharp and is easy to read. Once you've highlighted the file you want, click Open. That confirms your selection and starts the upload. You should see the file appear in your list shortly. If it doesn't, check your internet connection, make sure the file isn't too large, and verify the format is supported. When the upload completes, your receipt is safely stored in files and ready for you to reference, download, or keep organized with your other records, and that's it. Your receipt is uploaded to Freeagent. Thanks for watching, and keep your documents tidy so reporting and bookkeeping stay stress-free.